Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to explore you how to convert Figma design into HTML, CSS and JavaScript. This process can solve you a lot of time and effort, especially if you're working on web development projects. As a web developer or designer, you might have faced the challenge of manually translating your Figma design into code. It can be tedious and time consuming, but what if you could automate this process? Fortunately, there are tools like Visual Copilot, Device, and Anima that can help you convert Figma design to HTML and CSS with ease. These tools not only save time but also ensure that your web pages are responsive and visually consistent. Let us start with the Visual Copilot. This AI powered plugin allows you to generate HTML and CSS code directly from your Figma designs. Simply open the plugin, select your design, and click the Generate Code button. You can then customize the code and add animations or custom fonts using JavaScript. Another powerful tool is Device. It supports framework like React and Node, making it ideal for web and mobile app development. With Device, you can automate repeated tasks and generate productions ready code for your designs. Anima is another great option for exporting Figma designs to HTML. It allows you to export individual components or full design flows, including all necessary assets like image and fonts. In conclusion, converting Figma design to HTML, CSS, and JavaScript doesn't have to be a manual code. Tools like Visual Copilots, Device, and Anima make this process seamless and efficient. If you found this video helpful, please like, comments, and subscribe for more tech related contents. Thanks for watching.